Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new video series in which I want to segregate Claude Code and ServiceNow SDK setup that I did in my previous video. So if you have not seen it, you can watch it. There I have a demo and like a connection, step-by-step connection as well. But it was not like there was too much details in one video. So I thought that I will divide the videos in small smaller videos in which I will in this video we will just first do the ServiceNow SDK install Node.js and Claude Code. Okay, so the prerequisite is you should have a Mac OS, Windows or Linux, anything is fine, and a terminal. So we will be using terminal to do this Claude Code subscription and internet. To install Node.js, what you have to do is the easiest way is you just have to go to so if you can directly go and click on nodejs.org and go to download. Here you just have to simply, so if it is your is Mac OS, then you can simply run download it and run install. You can also install it using these commands. So these commands will also means you can just copy it and run it on your terminal. Okay, that way also, yeah, it will be, you will get it. Okay, so let me, I already have node 23, but latest version is 24, so I'm going to just simply run it. So as you can see, it has downloaded and installed, and my node version is updated to 24, and npm version is now 11. Okay, so you can then simply run it from your command. I did the same. So the basic node version that you need is 20 for ServiceNow SDK to run. So make sure that it is above 20. And if you want to check it again, just simply dash dash version. You can simply say 24. Now, the second thing that you have to do is install ServiceNow SDK. I already installed it, but you can simply run this command. So and the version that you're looking for should be more than 4.4.0. Okay, so yeah, it will give you multiple warnings, but you don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, it has already installed. And now to check that what version that you are on, you can simply copy this command. Let me clear it and run it. And 4.4.0. Okay, so now this is the version that you have. Next part is installing the Claude Code. You can simply run this command to install the Claude Code. Everything needs npm, so you can just simply run it. I've already installed it, so I'm going to check my version. This is my version, and so I already have Claude Code installed. Now the final step is add ServiceNow skill to Claude. For that, what we have to do is why it is important. So skill is a knowledge file that teaches Claude about a specific domain. So our sndev skill teaches it everything about ServiceNow SDK and Fluent API. Okay, so which is the like language that it is going to use to run the commands and all. For that, what you have to do is first you have to create a skill folder. You can, I already have a sndev, so I'm going to do is ServiceNow. I'm going to create a ServiceNow folder, and now that folder is created. So what I'm going to do is, so first thing is I've created the skill file. How will you get the skill file? So the skill file is already present in this GitHub repo, and to download it, you just have to click on this. Now the skill file is means the whole repo is actually downloaded on your system. Next thing that you have to do is copy the skill file from that repo. So this what it is going to do, it is going to copy this SKILL.md to the folder that you have created. To the Claude skill folder. Okay, so you remember that I created ServiceNow skill folder, so now it will, yeah, so it will copy that skill file from the main folder to ServiceNow skill folder. Now we can simply say open Claude. To open Claude, you have to write Claude and then simply answer. And here you can say what ServiceNow SDK commands do you know? And it is Okay, so we need to verify that if the skill exists or not. You can simply ask Claude that whether the skill exists or not. It will go, so basically it will check if there is yeah, a skill over there. As you can see, there is a ServiceNow skill as well, and then sndev that I created earlier. So you only need one, and you can just simply exit. And if you want, you can also run it with the new folder that you have. Yeah, so as you can see, there is a skill.md file on the this ServiceNow skill folder. Okay, so this is the first video in which we did we installed the Node, npm, ServiceNow SDK, Claude as well, and also added a skill to Claude so that it understands ServiceNow SDK examples and all. In the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to connect Claude Code with a ServiceNow instance. Okay, and so it will be OAuth. So we will be doing OAuth authentication, because basic authentication will be will require your admin credentials to be stored in your video in your local desktop, which is not a good idea. So please check out my next video of this course.